lecture of in chairs English course that has given time to us to do presentation, and to all my beloved friends who attend class today. So now our friends Nur Alia is gonna presentation about trading company accounting under the perpetual method and inventory cards and financial statements. And ladies and gentlemen, let's start the presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Dwi. Thank you, Mr. Kamrin, and everyone who has taken the time to attention today's presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurali Asri. Today I will be presenting about inventory card and financial statement in accounting using the perpetual method. Next. The first topic of discussion is inventory card. What is an inventory card? An inventory card is an important document that records every incoming and outgoing transaction of goods continuously, so that the value and quantity of inventory are known at all items. In this inventory, there are three methods. The first method is FIFO, first in, first out. The FIFO is assumption that the first good purchased are the first good sold. This means that ending inventory consists of the most recently purchased goods. The second is LIFO, last in and first out. The LIFO assumes that the most recently purchased goods are the first to be sold. This means that ending inventory consists of the earliest purchased goods. And then average cost. The average cost is all items are value based on the average price per unit of all items available for sale. Next, what is recorded on an inventory card? The inventory card track three main types of entries for a specific product. The first is receipt or in. The receipt or in is record unit purchase, unit cost, and total cost. The second is issues or out. The issues or out is record unit sold or used, the unit cost assigned based on FIFO, LIFO, or average, and the cost of goods sold. Next, remaining balance. The remaining balance is show the real-time quantity and total value of inventory remaining after every transaction. Next, why is it important of inventory card? The first, because it controls stock quantity and value. The second, prevent theft, error, and overstocking. And then provides data for calculate cost of goods sold. Next, how does it work? The first, record every incoming item or purchase under it. Record every outgoing item or out. And after the balance after each transaction. And then determine the value using FIFO, LIFO, or average method. For example of inventory card, the first, on March 1st, the beginning inventory was 100 unit. at a unit price of 100 rupiah for a total 10,000 rupiah. The second, on March 5, the 50 unit were purchased at a unit price of 150 rupiah. 150 rupiah for a total 7,500 rupiah. This reduced inventory by 100 unit. 100 unit. The balance is 50 unit at a unit price of 150 rupiah. For a total is 77,500 rupiah. And then on March 10 is 70 unit at a unit price of 100 rupiah for a total 7,000 rupiah. The total inventory was 8 unity, 50 and 30 and 50. The total inventory was 8 unit, 30 unit at unit price 100 rupiah for a total 3,000 rupiah, and 50 unit at a unit price of 150 rupiah for a total 7,500 rupiah. Next, financial statement. The financial statement are formal record of the financial position and performance of an entity or company over a certain period of time, presented systematically in accordance with accounting standard. Next, what is recorded in the financial statement? The first, income statement. The income statement is show revenue, cost of goods sold, and profit or loss. The second, statement of owner equity is show change in owner capital during the period. The three, balance sheet. The balance sheet is show the company assets, liabilities, and equity. And then cash flow statement is show the inflow and outflow cash. Why this is important of financial statement? The first, because it is measure business performance and profitability. The second, help management make informed decision. The three, attract investor and creditors and fulfill legal and tax obligation. Next, how to prepare financial report. The first, record all transactions in the general journal, post entries to the ledger account, prepare a trial balance, and make adjusting entries including ending inventory. How does it work? The case, the first on March 1st, Miss deposit cash and initial capital of 10,000 rupiah. The general journal is March 1st. The account is cash. The amount debit is 10,000 rupiah. Cash capital. The amount credit is 10,000 rupiah. The cash second is on March 3. Receive cash for a service complete in the amount of 3,000 rupiah. For general journal, on March 3, the account is cash. The amount debit is 3,000 rupiah. Service revenue, the amount credit is 3,000 rupiah. The general ledger, for cash account, that is on March 1st. Description is cash. The amount debit is 10,000 rupiah, and then balance is 10,000 rupiah. The second, on March 3, description is revenue. The amount debit is 3,000 rupiah. The balance is 3,000 rupiah. Capital account, on March 1st, description is general journal. The amount credit 10,000 rupiah, and then balance is 10,000 rupiah. Service revenue, on March 3, the description is general journal. The amount credit is 3,000 rupiah, and then balance is 3,000 rupiah. Trial balance, account number of cash is 101. The amount debit is 13,000 rupiah. The capital description is the capital. The amount credit is 10,000 rupiah. Service revenue, the amount credit 3,000 rupiah. For a total, the amount debit 13,000 rupiah. For the amount credit is 13,000 rupiah. Income statement, description, revenue, service revenue. The amount service revenue is 3,000 rupiah. For a total service revenue is 3,000 rupiah. Expense, total expense for the month, total expense is 0. For a total net income is 3,000 rupiah. And then statement of change in equity, description, the month beginning capital is 10,000 rupiah. The net income is 3,000 rupiah. Withdrawals, assumption is 0 rupiah. And then ending capital is 13,000 rupiah. Balance sheet, the asset is cash. The month cash is 13,000 rupiah. For a total asset is 13,000 rupiah. Liabilities, for a total liabilities 0. Equity, capital cash, the amount of capital cash is 13,000 rupiah. For total liabilities and equity is 13,000 rupiah. That concludes my presentation. Next, any question?
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. I want to ask, how can an error in the inventory card impact financial statements?
Is recording error on inventory record can have a significant impact on a company financial statement, as the inventory record serves as the basis for calculate cost of goods sold and ending inventory. If recording errors occur, such as incorrect quantities of incoming or outgoing goods, or incorrect unit price, the ending inventory value will be inaccurate.
Apalagi pertanyaan berikutnya. Berdasarkan jawabannya ini. Yang lain bisa masuk dan jawaban ini. Harus berikan nih, sebelum ke-11 ini. Ke-11. Can you repeat your answer to
Recording error on inventory record can have a significant impact on a company financial statement, as the inventory record serves as the basis for calculate cost of goods sold and ending inventory.
how do I know that that's significant? Is there any parameter? This is significant, this is not significant. So my question is, how do I know? How do you know? Or how do you explain this is significant, this is not significant? 5 pertanyaan sekaligus, bisa macam-macam. Begitu caranya mengembangkan. Jangan dibiarkan begitu saja. Ya? Paham maksudnya ini?
Yes.
Dan pertanyaan-pertanyaan itu sudah ada semua di kepalamu. Tak? Ini konteksnya Inggris. Sudah banyak dan seringkali di konteksnya bahasa Indonesia ketika belajar pengantar akreditasi. So my question is, how do you know or how do you explain significant, not significant? Can you give example? Itu dia. Terasa belajarnya kan?
If recording
Kan bisa dilihat di presentasi itu. This is example of significant. This is significant. Yes. Yeah.
If recording and record, such as record quantity of incoming or outgoing goods, or incurred unit price,
Can you show example?
Then I got the details. For sales,
Yes, ada di sini.
sales increase of profits.
Profit. Can you show example of profit in that? $3,000 or $10,000?
There's the one debit.
Hmm? 10,000 or 3,000? Which one is profit?
10,000 and 3,000.
How do I know that's profit? Is that according to transaction? Yes? Just according to transaction. So you write there profit and example of profit. Yang lain lagi. Mengerti arah pertanyaanku ini ya? Dikreasi pertanyaan. Apakah pertanyaanku ini ada yang tidak konsisten dengan materi? Apakah ada pertanyaanku yang aneh-aneh? Ada? Oke. Pertanyaan, mengembangkan pertanyaan dan jawaban itu dikehendaki, diperlukan untuk menggambarkan bahwa satu, pengetahuan akuntansi oke pasti itu sudah selesai berapa ini selesai. Yang kedua, bahasa Inggris ya membonceng atau dibonceng oleh pengetahuan akuntansi. Kalau bagus pengetahuan akuntansinya harus bagus. Itu yang membonceng bahasa Inggris, tinggal diinggriskan. Sudah? Pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang di kelas akuntansi lanjutan misalnya sama kita, tinggal diinggriskan. Jadi kalau Anda bisa bertanya, menjawab dari pertanyaan, mengembangkan pertanyaan dan jawaban, balik bilik saja, misalnya di kelas sebelah ada dosen tamu mengajarkan akuntansi lanjutan dalam bahasa Inggris. Ada dosen tamu, harusnya bisa Anda. Harusnya bisa. Kenapa? Karena Anda bisa di sini, di sebelah pasti bisa. Ya kan? Itu maksudnya. Ya silakan lagi. 3 menit. Come on. Teddy, do you have question? Ini keterampilannya soft skill. Soft skill itu ya, skill itu ada 2. Hard skill, ya, keterampilan yang membutuhkan tangan, kata. Ini soft skill, bertanya. Ya. Itu butuh waktu, butuh latihan berkali-kali. Ya. Karena di kelas lain begitu dikatakan pesertanya question, langsung angkat tangan semua. Dan pertanyaannya dan jawaban kembangkan lagi. Jadi menarik. Di kelas lain ya. Kalau nggak yakin silakan tanya. Saya tidak bisa bohong ya.
Any question, guys?
Ya. Jangan takut salah pertanyaan, jangan salah kalau tidak bertanya.
So my question is, what inside inventory card? Can you show me? What inside the inventory card?
For example of inventory card, the beginning inventory was 100 years. The beginning inventory balance is 100 unit of at a unit price of 100 rupiah. For the month is 10,000 rupiah. March 5, purchase is 50 unit at a unit price of 150 rupiah for a total 7,500. The amount balance is 50 unit at a unit price of 150 rupiah. For the total is 7,500 rupiah. The sales is out. Out is 70 unit at a unit price of 100 rupiah for a total 7,000 rupiah. For balance, the amount balance is 2 unit. The first 13 unit at a unit price of 100 rupiah for a total. The amount balance is 3,000 rupiah. The second 50 unit at a unit price of 150 rupiah. The amount balance is 7,500 rupiah.
So you're saying the component is date, description, in, out, and balance. So how do you get the amount? For example, that's 7,500. How do you write the amount?
Unit and price.
Okay, thank you.
Ada lagi? Jadi sudah mulai berkembang ya. Jangan takut bertanya, dan juga jangan takut ditanya. Kita di sini bertanya dan ditanya. Can you show the title? Next. Yeah. What is the difference between LIFO and LIFO? What is the difference between LIFO and LIFO?
The FIFO assumes that the first good purchase are the first good sold. The LIFO is assumption that the most recently purchased good are the first to be sold.
For example, yeah, when can I use LIFO and when can I use FIFO? When can I use FIFO and when can I use
Uh, The LIFO this means that any inventory consists of the earliest purchase good. For example, is description purchase 50 unit and unit price 150 rupiah for the amount is 7,500 rupiah. The balance 50 unit at a unit price of 150 rupiah. The amount is 7,500 rupiah. For sellers, the increase 100 unit and 70 unit. For total unit is 30 units.
you can cross?
The conclusion, inventory card are a vital internal control mechanism in determining the cost and value of asset or inventory. Will financial statement or report are the formal output that use this cost data to communicate company performance to internal and external parties. That concludes my presentation for today. Thank you for your participation, everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.